Hi YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I'm going to talk about the up and coming Rebrander tool that I'm about to launch. And in my last video I mentioned that we've got a nice brander tool and I've been adding to it and I'm about to launch it. I'm not 100% ready, but I'm about to launch it, and towards the end of this video I'm going to make it known that people can get in touch with me if they want to get first access to this. And what I'm trying to do, guys, is I'm trying to round up some people who are willing to test, basically. So the advantage to you obviously is you get first access, and hopefully you can help me test it and then give me feedback. So what this tool is, if you haven't seen the previous video, it's a complete brander tool. So what you do is you can watch the video, but it's so easy. It's really, really simple. You can set up an entire funnel within minutes. I mean, no exaggeration, guys, literally within minutes. You just completely brand it to yourself. You put your name in there. I mean, it just says everything is self-explanatory. You follow the on-screen instructions. You upload your profile picture and add that in there. And it's all part of the branding. If you put in your full URL of how you want people to contact you, put in your Sparky username, your Prosperity Marketing System user ID, your LeadsLeap username, your LeadsLeap list ID. This is important because this is how you instantly reintegrate these funnels right into your own list on LeadsLeap. So you put your list ID in there. It's really simple, and we've got a little explanation there. And we've got a full tutorial. I'm going to show you the tutorial as well. You've got that access to that. And then we've got the category area where we've got a list of categories, and we're going to be adding to those categories. What these are is this part of the lead magnets, and it's part of the whole setup of the funnel. So if you want to lead with the lead magnet, because this is a great way to attract leads, you can pick your category. So whichever category you want, so lead generation or whatever, and you can select your theme. This is your layout, your lead capture page layout. And then you can select your background graphic. You've got plenty to choose from. So let's just see. Actually, I'm going to choose this one. So you choose your background, and then that's your funnel done. So you just click the button, and congratulations, it's all branded to you. This is just the results page, obviously, and it's just showing you here is your information. So you just copy your lead capture page link. You can copy your download page link, or you can preview them. You can also download your own PDF of the funnel. That's all branded to you. You can go back and modify. You can access the training. You got more stuff here. I'll show you that in a sec. But if you preview the lead capture page, so we got this page here, and it's all your branding down at the bottom here with your picture and your name. And then when your leads opt in, they'll go straight into your list, into your mailing list on LeadsLeap. It's all integrated, guys, and everything just rebrands to you. The title, the graphic. So, for example, if we go back here and we change the topic, the category, and you can select another category. Hold on, it's just loading. So we can change the category. For example, let's have AI lead generation, and we can pick another background, and then we can generate again. And obviously the graphic changes, and we can preview, and there our background is changed. And obviously the title has changed because that's the different category, the different topic that we've set it to, and the graphic here. But if you want to see what the other layouts are like, I showed you in the other video. So we can just choose something else, maybe something like this. Let's try this. So it changes again. And now we've changed the layout completely, so we get a brand new web layout style. And it all integrates into your LeadsLeap account. And if you want to see what the download page looks like, and that's your download page, and you can download the PDF, and it all rebrands to you on the fly, including the PDF. So all your links within the PDF and the lead magnet here, it's all branded to you, and it's got your picture there, your profile picture, your name, and the way to contact you, and they can go back and rebrand themselves. So it's a completely viral system, but the links go to you, they're all branded to you. And then obviously they get access to your join links to the programs, and then they can go back and create the funnel. They can contact you, and that's it, guys. I mean, it's simple, but it's powerful. So we got the training here. So you got the full-blown training for integrating the LeadsLeap list, but it's so easy. All you're doing is copying the LeadsLeap list ID, but it just shows you where to copy it, where to grab it. The video on the Brander page also tells you how to do that as well, basically. So yeah, it's very easy, very, very straightforward. It also has a built-in personalization signature generator. It personalizes the signature. You just copy this to clipboard, and you just paste it into LeadsLeap. So all your emails go out branded to you, and you can also grab the share code as well for the email follow-up series. Copy the URL for the download page into where you can replace for your download link into the email sequence. Really, really quick and easy. Set up your traffic links, your tracking links, URL shortener on LeadsLeap. So that's that. And then we've also got the graphics suite as well. This is something I've added. So you get access to my graphics, stunning graphics collection vault, and you got the mockups. So you can grab mockups here. So if you switch to all, they all show up here. So we've got a bunch. And we've got a little search tool as well. So you can also access the graphics. We've got loads of graphics here, and they're all in different categories. So you can either use the search feature. So if you're looking for a button, you can search for anything related to buttons. If you're looking for line, so you want to underline, it's just loading, hold on. Underline, if you want badges. So you can either search and filter, or you can just look for specifically what you're looking for. But we've got loads and loads of graphics. They're good for putting in your pages or whatever you want, really. And you can still access the other stuff as well. If you want, grab the headers. There's only a few in here so far, but I'm going to add more headers. You've got buttons, specific exclusive access to buttons, different types of buttons, call to actions, free trial, download buttons, access buttons, different colors, color blues, greens, reds, well, orange and reds. And you've also got the backgrounds as well. So you can access my backgrounds. If you're looking for luxury and dream homes or seascape, or if you're looking for nice views or whatever you're looking for, cars, digital currency, AI. So I'm going to be adding more as well. And all you do, guys, I forgot to mention, all you do is you just click the thumbnail and it copies it to clipboard. It copies the whole URL to clipboard, and you can just either download them or you can use them in whatever you're using them. If you're building pages or if you're creating graphics or whatever. So and you can access the different graphics. Everything you just click it and it copies to clipboard. These are great. Some of these are great in emails. When you're doing email marketing, such as My Lead Gen Secret, for example, you can just bookmark this whole set, copy them to clipboard, just click it and it copies to clipboard, and then you just add it into your WYSIWYG editor. If you're using, for example, a credit mailer, or you want to set up an HTML type email. And don't forget, guys, while I'm on the subject, we've got all these as well. So I've also got this Swipe Pro, which is an extension. It's a browser extension. This is one of my recent videos. You get a whole loads and loads of different types of emails in different categories. We've got over 100 different email templates, and you just copy them to clipboard. And if you're using a kind of a WYSIWYG editor, which is like what you see is what you get type editor, it's like an HTML editor. Like, for example, some of the credit mailers, or for example, My Lead Gen Secret, you can just use HTML with it and you can copy the graphics in. I'm probably going to add this whole tool suite or this graphics suite into my Swipe Pro email templates feature here. So make it part of that, which will be pretty cool to have that, because some people use HTML style emails with some nice graphics. So yeah, we've got a lot of good stuff in here. So you'll get access to this as well. So if you want to reach out to me and you want to have me test the whole thing out, I'd be happy to share this whole thing with you guys. So yeah, it's just, that's it. That's basically it. It's simple, but it's powerful, and you can set things up within minutes. I hope you like it, but get in touch with me. And if you want to be one of the testers and test it all out for me and give me feedback, don't just ask for the link and then just say not even willing to help me. This is just for testing purposes. If you're willing to test and let me know, like everything's working smooth or I've just tested it, something's wrong, you can let me know. But hopefully we're going to get this launched. The sooner the better. but would be helpful for some testers. Thanks a lot, guys. But if you do test, if you are willing to test, that doesn't mean you can share it out. Please don't share it out. Just test it yourself. Go through, maybe test the email, see if it goes into your LeadsLeap, test it as a lead, that kind of thing. So yeah, if you could help me out, it'd be really, really appreciated. Thanks a lot, guys. See you and get in touch. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now.